Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a haul video. So it's been quite some time that I actually went out and bought something for myself. As I told you guys in my previous video, it's been very hot over here. So usually I'm quite lazy and I'm always at home and I haven't shopped much. So recently I went to the mall and picked up a few items. So if you guys would like to see what I've picked up, please keep watching. So the first thing what I've picked up is from the brand Forever 21. So Forever 21 is one of my favorite brands like everyone else. They've got like awesome shoes, accessories, clothes. So the first thing what I got is a few accessories from there. So the first thing what I got is a bunch of bangles. I found this really cute. I'm actually not a kind of person who wears much of bangles. So but I really like this one, so I picked it up. So that is how it looks like. I feel it looks very nice and classy. So the second thing which I picked up from Forever 21 is a pair of shades which looks like this. This is a cat eye shade which looks really cool. So that is how the shades look like. I really love this detailing over here. So since it's summers, this is a must-have for everyone. I usually don't go out much, but whenever I do, I make sure that I carry my shades. So I feel this is very stylish and cool. So I'm in love with these shades. So the next thing what I got is a pair of shoes from Forever 21. It looks like this. It's a gorgeous pair of tan shades which looks like this. So these are the shoes which I got. I thought this would be very ideal for if you're going for work or if you're going to the mall for shopping. It doesn't have much of heels, so it's very comfortable as well. So I really like this. So the next pair of shoes what I got from Forever 21 is a pair of boots. I really love the boots what they have. I feel it's very classy and of very good quality. So these are how the boots looks like. I feel it's really amazing. I really love this cut work that is going on right here, and the heels are also quite comfortable. So these shoes looks very stylish on a pair of black jeans or black shorts. So it looks very good. Thing what I got from Forever 21 is again a pair of shades. This is how it looks like, a cat eye kind of shades. I really love the mirror effect that it has. So I feel this is really cool in summers, especially when you go out and when the sun reflects on these. It looks really amazing. So the next thing what I got is again shoes. So I went ahead this time and bought a lot of shoes for myself. So it's from the brand College Spring. So this is how it looks like. I feel it's really classy and I really love the black and golden combination. So you can even wear it you can also wear it during rainy season. So I really love this and I think it's beautiful. So the last pair of shoes which I got is from the brand Westside. So these are the Oxford shoes as they call it. I really love the combination of pink, light pink and golden. It looks really classy and it goes very well with all the outfits. I also got a pair of shades from the brand Opium. So this is how it looks like. Again, it's kind of a cat eye kind of shades. I really love how cool it looks. It's very lightweight and it's very easy to carry. So I've been really loving this. So I forgot to show you guys one more pair of shoes that I got from Westside. So this is the shoes which I got. It looks really classy. I really love it. I really love the color combination of this one. So the next two things is a lip liner which I got from the brand Studio West. The first one is in the shade Rose and the second one is in the shade Brown Supreme. So this is how Brown Supreme looks like. It's a beautiful brownie lip liner which is very easy and very smooth. So the next shade is called Rose. So that is how Rose looks like. It's a very beautiful nudie rose kind of a color. So I again got a lip liner from the brand Color Bar. It's in the shade Creamy Nude 006. That is how Creamy Nude looks like. This looks really beautiful. So the next thing what I got is a lipstick from Revlon. It's in the shade, it is Royal, and that is how the shade looks like. It's a beautiful deep plummy kind of a red color. What I got is again a lipstick from the L'Oreal Color Riche range. It's in the shade Classic Passion. That is how the shade looks like. It's a beautiful deep red color. So the next thing is a toner what I got. It's from the brand Organic. It's their Neem Tulsi toner which looks like this. So it comes in a spray form which makes it easier, makes it very easier to use. So you just have to cleanse your face and just spray it all over your face. You don't have to take the pain of taking a cotton pad and then dipping it and putting it all over your face. You spray this and then you're good to go. Next thing is from the same brand. It's a sunscreen. It's their sunscreen SPF 60 triple action formula waterproof. So I've not really used this product, so this is how it looks like. So do let me know again if you guys want to see a review on any of these products. I'll be more than happy to do. And the next product is a serum from the brand Vichy. It's their Aqualia Thermal Serum which looks like this. It looks like I've actually used this for 2 to 3 days and I really like it. It's quite lightweight and it glides on very easily on my skin. So the last thing what I got is a nail paint from Studio West. It's in the shade Vintage Rose which looks like this. It's a really beautiful dusty rose kind of a color. So that was my small haul. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Do let me know which one was your favorite, which piece did you like, and do let me know if you guys want to see any review. Let's chat down in the comments. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next. Bye.